If you use PowerShell regularly, you can make it much more convenient by creating a PowerShell profile. A profile is a script that runs when PowerShell starts, letting you add custom settings, aliases, functions, and shortcuts. In this guide, I'll show you how to create one and add your first customization. First, open PowerShell and check the location of your profile by typing profile. Press Enter and PowerShell will display the path to your profile file. You don't need to create the file manually yet. This command simply tells you where PowerShell expects to find it. Next, check whether that profile file already exists. Type testpath profile and press Enter. If PowerShell returns true, the profile already exists. If it returns false, that's okay. It simply means you'll need to create it. If the profile doesn't exist, create it with new item path profile item type file force. This creates the profile file and any required folder structure. After this command finishes, you have a profile file ready for customization. Now you can open the profile in a text editor. One simple option is Notepad Profile. This opens the profile file in Notepad. You can then add PowerShell commands that you want available whenever a new PowerShell session starts. Let's add a simple function. For example, you could create a function called showIP that runs getNet IP address. You can also add aliases, variables, or other commands you frequently use. Save the file when you're finished. Keep your profile organized because it can grow as you add more customizations. To apply your changes without closing PowerShell, run profile. That's a dot followed by a space and the profile path. You can also close and reopen PowerShell, which automatically loads the profile. Test your new function or customization to make sure it works. And that's how to create a PowerShell profile. Check profile, create the file if needed, edit it with your favorite commands, and reload it to apply your changes. So once you customize your profile, every new PowerShell session can start exactly the way you like.